Morning, this is Anjay here. Welcome to English speaking class. Guys, girls, my students, Assalamu alaikum. Marhaba, sabal khair. Privet, Jiyanu, Anewar, Susrikal Pali. Dear students, today we are going to view the use of many and much. Many and much both are adjectives. These are commonly used in speaking. They have a little difference in between. Many is used to show the numbers of things, the number of things, and much is used for the quantity. Much is used for the quantity. Let's start our lesson and we will try to explain these two adjectives of quantity and adjectives of number with different short phrases that are commonly used in speaking. These phrases may be positive or affirmative. Let's start our lesson behind on the whiteboard. Okay, my students, we have today much and many. So we start with the much. Much is an adjective. Much is used. We write here that we explain the use of much. Much is used to show the quantity of things. Much is used to show the quantity of things. Here you see my student. Much. We write here much is used to show the quantity of things. So we write much is used to show the quantity of things. Much is used to show the quantity of things. much का इस्तेमाल चीज़ों की मिक़दार को ज़ाहिर करने के लिए किया जाता है. much is used to show the quantity of things. We write here much is used to show the quantity of things. Quantity मिक़दार को कहते हैं QUANTITY. Quantity of different things. So we have the explanation here. Much is used to show quantity of different things. So here you write this explanation. Different. DIFFERENT. Different things. So here you are, my students. Let's set the examples for this explanation of much. Much is an adjective. So we must write some short sentences that will describe the use of much in speaking. Let's set some examples. आइए कुछ मिसालों से इसकी वज़ाहत करते हैं कि much जो है ये कैसे एक एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी है, मिक़दार को ज़ाहिर करता है. आइए फर्स्ट एग्जांपल यू सी माय स्टूडेंट्स. वी हैव द फर्स्ट एग्जांपल हियर. वी राइट हियर डाउन. You see here example is set. Example is given. You see how much sugar, how much sugar, how much sugar, how much sugar does she need? How much sugar? How much sugar does she need? 40. How much sugar does he नीड 40, that she need 40, उसे चाय के लिए कितनी चीनी की जरूरत होती है, उसे चाय के लिए चीनी की कितनी जरूरत पड़ती है। How much sugar does she need for tea? My students, how much sugar does she need for tea? उसे चाय के लिए कितनी चीनी की जरूरत पड़ती है। तो शुगर एक मिकदार को जाहिर करता है, शुगर जो है चीनी नाम है, और मच जो है इसे इसकी एक्सप्लेनेशन दे रहा है, एडजेक्टिव है, कितनी मिकदार उसे चीनी की जरूरत पड़ती है, चीनी की कितनी मिकदार की जरूरत पड़ती है। लेट्स सेट एन पॉजिटिव एग्जांपल। She needs He needs 10 grams. He needs 10 grams of sugar for a cup of tea. He needs 10 grams of sugar for a cup of tea. He needs 10 grams of sugar for a cup of tea. He needs 10 grams sugar for a cup of tea. उसे चाय के एक कप के लिए 10 ग्राम शुगर की चीनी की जरूरत है। He needs 10 grams of sugar for a cup of tea. उसे चाय के एक कप के लिए 10 ग्राम चीनी की जरूरत है। This is an affirmative statement. Let's set another example. So in this statement we see she needs 10 grams. So 10 grams show the quantity, show the quantity of sugar. So let's see, set another example. How much oil is needed to fry the potatoes, to fry the potatoes. P-O-T-A-T-O-E-S, potatoes, to fry the potatoes. Yes, we put the interrogative sign. How much oil is needed to fry the potato? आलू को फ्राई करने के लिए कितनी मिकदार ऑयल की जरूरत है, कितनी मिकदार ऑयल की जरूरत है। आलू को फ्राई करने के लिए कितनी मिकदार आलू की जरूरत है। लेट्स सेट अ पॉजिटिव स्टेटमेंट to show the quantity of oil. So 1.5 kilo AILO, 1.5 kilo is equal to 500 grams. 500 grams. 1.5 kilo of 500 grams of oil is required. Of 1.5 kilo of oil is 1.5 kilo of oil is required. 1.5 kilo of oil is required I-R-E-D. 1.5 kilo of oil is required to fry the potatoes. आधा किलो तेल की ज़रूरत आलूओं को फ्राई करने के लिए पड़ती है। आलूओं को फ्राई करने के लिए आधा किलो तेल की ज़रूरत पड़ती है। 1.5 kilo of oil is required to fry the potatoes. आलूओं को फ्राई करने के लिए आधा किलो ऑयल की ज़रूरत पड़ती है। You see my students, here you see that the oil is showing the quantity. Oil is showing the quantity and it is said to be an adjective of quantity. So much is said to be an adjective of quantity. So here you are my students. Today we have two adjectives, much and many. Much is used for quantity of things, quantities of different things. So we have set two examples, two questionary statements and two affirmative statements to explain the adjective much that defines the nouns as well as the quantity of that noun. So we have today sugar and oil, both are the nouns and their quantities we have mentioned in the positive statements. So the adjective much defines those things or nouns that show the quantity. Let's start with the many. First of all, we have to write down its explanation. So here are many. We write here. Many is used. Many is used to show the number of things. Adjective many, M-A-N-Y. Adjective many is used to show the number of things. Many is used to show the number of things. नंबर मैनी जो है ये चीज़ों की तादाद को जाहिर करता है। नंबर में उर्दू में नंबर को तादाद कहते हैं। टू शो द नंबर ऑफ थिंग्स, NUMBERS, number of things. Many is used to show the number of things. मैनी का इस्तेमाल या की तादाद को जाहिर करने के लिए किया जाता है। उर्दू में कहेंगे मैनी का इस्तेमाल या की तादाद को जाहिर करने के लिए किया जाता है। लेट्स चेक द एग्जांपल्स। आइए इसकी एग्जांपल मिसालें जाहिर करते हैं और इसे मिसालों के जरिए एक्सप्लेन करते हैं। हे माय स्टूडेंट, मैनी इज यूज्ड टू शो द नंबर ऑफ थिंग्स। मैनी एडजेक्टिव जो है इसे अशिया की तादाद को जाहिर करने के लिए, नंबर को जाहिर करने के लिए इस्तेमाल किया जाता है। ये एक्सप्लेनेशन है मैनी की। लेट्स सेट सम एग्जांपल्स। आइए कुछ एग्जांपल्स यहाँ पे एग्जांपल से इसकी वजाहत करते हैं। लेट्स एक्सप्लेन the use of many with some examples. Here we have some examples. In example we will write some questionary statements and then we will write some positive statements. So you see that Ben has 10 सिक्के हैं. पेन हैज 10 coins. पेन के पास 10 सिक्के हैं. So 10 is a number. You see my students, 10 is a number. So question may be how many coins has pen? How many coins has pen? Has के पास कितने सिक्के हैं? How many coins has pen? How many coins has pen? पेन के पास कितने सिक्के हैं? So this is the question. Interrogative sign. How many coins has pen? And we have explained, we have described that pen has 10 coins. Pen has 10 coins. Pen के पास 10 सिक्के हैं. 10 shows the number of coins, and coins are nouns, collective nouns. Coins are collective nouns, and 10 explains it, it describes it. So 10 is the number of quantity, number of it's a number, and many is the adjective of numbers, not quantity. So many is an adjective of numbers. ये तादाद को ज़ाहिर करता है. तो पेन के पास 10 सिक्के हैं, तो 10 is a figure and 10 is a figure, and it shows the numbers. So number means the amount, and it is an amount in numbers that can be counted. So many is used to show the number of things. Let's set other examples. आइए चंद और मिसालें लेते हैं. पैनी के हवाले से कुछ मिसालें और लेते हैं. Actually, my students, by removing this from here, this short statement, and we set 2 to 3 examples with the use of many to explain the many, adjective many. You see another statement. You see how many dolls dolls. How many dolls? कितनी गुड़िया? How many dolls has the baby? बेबी के पास कितनी गुड़िया हैं? How many dolls has the baby? How many dolls has the baby? नन्ही बच्ची के पास कितनी गुड़िया हैं? How many dolls has the baby? So you see, many shows the number of numbers. Many indicates the numbers. So answer may be the baby has 2 dolls. The baby has 2 dolls. The baby has 2 dolls. बेबी के पास 2 गुड़ियां हैं. You see that 2 shows the number. 2 shows the number of dolls. 2 shows the number of dolls. Dolls is a plural noun, and 2 is an adjective that explains the dolls. 2 dolls. So baby has 2 dolls. बेबी के पास, नन्ही बच्ची के पास 2 गुड़ियां हैं. Let's set another example. He needs 2 spoons of sugar. He needs 2 spoons of sugar for S. He needs 2 spoons of sugar for a cup of tea. He needs 2 spoons of sugar for a cup of tea. 2 spoons of sugar. He needs 2 spoons of sugar. He needs 2 spoons of sugar for a cup of tea. He needs 2 spoons of sugar for a cup of tea. Yes, my students. Here you can see that 2 shows the numbers. So spoons is a collective noun and 2 explains he needs 2 spoons of sugar for a cup of tea. So 2 is an adjective, many is an adjective of number. How many spoons? How many spoons he needs for the sugar? How many spoons does he need for a cup of sugar? How many spoons does he need for a cup of sugar? चाय के कप के लिए उसे कितनी चीनी की जरूरत है? How many spoons does he need for a cup of tea? चाय के कप के लिए उसे कितने चीनी की जरूरत है? ये क्वेश्चनरी स्टेटमेंट है और हमने इसका आंसर है he needs 2 spoons of sugar for a cup of tea. So here you my students, we have explained the use of much and many, both of the adjectives and with the concerned nouns that show the numbers and quantity. The nouns that show the number and quantity, many and much, we have set their examples and we have explained them in writing, and we have made a short spoken sentences with the help of both of these adjectives of number and quantity, and we have explained this in short sentences of interrogative sentences and affirmative sentences. Memorize all these adjectives and the sentences, how they are constructed. I wish you all the best. I'll see you again. Goodbye.